Hi everybody, welcome back to Eerie Elementary. School freezes over. If you will remember from yesterday, Sam and Lucy are trying to free Antonio, and they are in the school cafeteria looking for salt to try to melt some of the ice that is around him. When they got to the cafeteria, they're going through the lunchroom, and the spikes of icicles are falling from the ceiling. So they're not sure how they're going to get from one side to the other. We're going to start on Chapter 7, Turning the Tables. Icicles crashed to the floor as Sam and Lucy raced toward the kitchen. A huge icy spike smashed right in front of them. "Yikes," Lucy said. "That one nearly got us." Sam gripped Lucy's hand. They were too far from the hall to go back, and they were too far from the kitchen to keep going. Sam looked up. A long, razor-sharp icicle hung above them. It was about to drop. "Take cover," Sam yelled. Together, Sam and Lucy dove beneath the lunch table. A second later, there was a tremendous crash. The icicle shattered just inches from their hiding spot. "What do we do now?" Lucy asked. "We need to get that salt before Antonio becomes an ice pop." They were trapped, and Sam knew time was running out. "We're safe under this table," thought Sam, "but we can't just stay here." "Wait," Sam exclaimed. "Maybe we can bring this table with us. We'll carry it over our heads like an umbrella, all the way to the kitchen, like a shield." "That's a good idea. But look," Lucy said, pointing. The table legs were frozen solid to the floor. Sam stared at the icy floor. What now? Chapter 8 is called Breaking Free. They needed to get the table legs free from the ice, but Sam couldn't think. Smash! 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 Icicles crashed all around them. Then Sam heard another sound, a sort of clanging. "What's that noise?" Lucy asked. "Wait a second," Sam said. "I know that sound. I hear it every day at lunch." Sam suddenly stuck his arm out. He reached up and felt along the tabletop. "What are you doing?" Lucy yelled as icicles slammed into the tabletop. Then Sam's fingers felt metal. He yanked his hand back under the table. He was holding 2 metal lunch forks. Lucy's eyes lit up. "Good thinking!" Sam and Lucy quickly began jabbing the forks at the ice around the table legs. Soon the ice cracked, and the table was free. "Let's go," Sam said. He and Lucy grunted as they lifted the table. Icicles shattered against the tabletop, but it shielded them all the way to the kitchen. At the kitchen door, they rushed out from under the table. Sam breathed a sigh of relief. "No ice and no spiky traps here," he said. "Finally, this school cuts us a break," Lucy said as she grabbed a large bag of salt from the kitchen cabinet. Sam and Lucy burst out into the hallway. They raced back to the bathroom, slipping and sliding as they ran. The 2 friends gasped when they entered the bathroom. Antonio was frozen up to his waist. "What took you so long?" Antonio said. Lucy tore open the bag of salt and poured it over the ice. Sam helped rub it in. The salt stopped new ice from forming. It was working, but it wasn't working fast enough. "I'm going to chip away at the ice," Sam told Antonio. Sam grabbed the hammer from the sink and began banging away at the ice. Lucy checked the thermometer. "Hurry, guys," she yelled. "The temperature has already fallen to 19 degrees. 6 more degrees, and Orson Eerie will be here." in human form. Sam swung the hammer one final time. Chunks of ice splintered. "I'm free," Antonio said as he stepped from the crumbling ice. He huddled beneath the hand dryer. Warm air rushed over him. Sam slipped off his jacket. "Take this, buddy," Sam said. "We can't waste any more time in this bathroom. We need to get to that main thermostat in the teacher's lounge. We need to get the heat back on. Now." Chapter 9 is called Heat Race. Make your predictions about what you think will happen in this chapter, and I'll see you tomorrow.